Hi everyone, my name is Maxwell and I lead Etsy's search and ads teams. The core of my work is helping buyers find their perfect item while ensuring sellers have ample opportunities for growth. I was a part of the team that brought the new Etsy search visibility page in Shop Manager to life, and I'm so excited to tell you more about it today. When shoppers are searching on Etsy, it's important that they can easily find quality listings from shops they can trust. This is what makes them come back to Etsy again and again. That's why Etsy Search currently takes into account your shop, listing, and customer service quality. One thing we frequently hear from sellers is that you want more transparency about what goes into Etsy Search so that you can improve how your listings appear. This new page does exactly that by showing you how your listings are performing along with personalized recommendations for how to improve. It's an easy way for you to know if you're meeting buyer expectations so you can help improve your visibility. Let's take a closer look. The Etsy Search visibility page, which you can access through Shop Manager, will show you how your listings are performing in the areas of your shop, listing, and customer service quality. Let's dig into each of these. First up is your shop. It's important that a buyer knows who they're purchasing from to help build trust. For example, your shop should have a shop icon, which helps to represent your business. These details are important because it helps the buyer understand who you are and what goes into your shop, business, and the products you make. All of this helps to further establish a trusting relationship and increase transparency. This is a great spot to showcase everything special about your business. Next is customer service. As an Etsy seller, you work hard to create a smooth and trusted experience for your customers. Great customer service is key to building trust and to help make sure you're giving buyers a positive experience. This is what will make them buy from your shop again and recommend it to others. That's why shops that consistently meet our customer service standards, like average review rating or message response rate, are prioritized in search. Here are some ways to help encourage positive reviews. Shipping orders on time and making sure the processing times you give are accurate, responding quickly to combos and reaching out to the buyer if there's an issue with their order, and exceeding your customers' expectations with nice touches, like a handwritten thank you note. We'll review your customer service performance and let you know if your shop is meeting customer service standards on the first of each month. The third area is your listings. When shoppers are searching on Etsy, it's important that they can easily find high-quality listings. Each of your listings should include details like multiple high-quality photos and a return policy to help buyers feel confident about making a purchase. The Etsy Search visibility page shows you all the opportunities you have to optimize your shop and listings to help you show up more in search. Let's take a look at a few examples. If some of your listings are missing a return policy, you can click into this insight and quickly add them to your listings. You don't have to offer returns or exchanges on your items unless it's required where you live. It just lets buyers know that your policy is to not accept returns or exchanges, so it's clear to them before they make a purchase. Etsy buyers have consistently told us that quality photos are critical when they're deciding to make a purchase. So having multiple high-quality photos of your items could make all the difference in landing the sale. When determining the quality of photos, we look at things like lighting and resolution to make sure buyers are seeing clear images. We know it takes time and care to create quality photos, so if you notice that you have several listings to update, don't worry. This page is also available in the Etsy Seller app, which makes it easy to upload photos directly from your phone. Ready to get started? Head to the new Etsy Search visibility page in your Shop Manager to see how your listings are doing. We'll show you personalized actions you can take to help your items get in front of even more buyers. The Etsy Search visibility page is just one of the ways we're helping you get the insights you need about your shop so that you can make the best decisions for your business. Taking our recommended actions could help you reach even more shoppers and make more sales. Thanks for joining me today.